All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is replace the rope. Just put a much longer rope in. So to do that, I'm gonna have to cut out the stitching on the back here. I don't know why they do this on shorts these days. Like they sew in the rope, I guess, so the rope doesn't come out, but I still don't see the point of it. So I've linked this in the description below. This is a seam cutter I'm using.
Baby, don't you go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't you go away.
Cool, so then this is the replacement rope I'm using. It's a 7mm rope. I'll link that in the description below as well.
I even talk about the bag where we go, yard rolling, then we smash. I know you're tired of 9 to 5 when I roll inside working on your thighs. I got the juice with the ice, give you what you want. Really, I don't mind your ex, man. They cutting it.
So what I'm gonna do with the rope is like weave it in and out. So I'm gonna make cuts all the way along the waist. I think that just will make it look like crazy, you know what I mean?
You got that own new way. Come show me where you stay. You, I don't want it if it's worth nothing. I don't, you know what I'm saying. If you want it, then show me that it's worth something. Cause girl, I be wanting you to come away. Baby, don't go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't you go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't you go away. I don't do no throwaways. Call my phone, I'ma come through.
Then I also just tie the ends as well, just to give it that that look, to add to the look.
In the old school, and them girls gon' show you, and them girls gon' roll through. I'ma do what I do.
All right, cool. So next, of course, you need your logo. So I'm gonna put my logo on there, the Heartfelt Av text. So I'm just gonna make the base for the logo where the letters are gonna sit on, basically.
When you way, come show me where you stay. You, I don't want it if it's worth nothing. I don't, you know what I'm saying. If you want it, then show me that it's worth something. Cause girl, I be wanting you to come away. Baby, don't go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't you go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't you go away. I don't do no throwaways.
So tell me right away, wide awake, out of space, yeah. For the end, it's not that far away, on our way, but our time now.
So then with this, I think I'm gonna position this here so you can put the rope through like the loop / where the logo is. I think that looks hard. I've seen someone else do this on their clothes as well. And then Fear of God has that similar thing as well, where they put the logo around that area.
Slide to the room. She come through on my son's my phone. She the same, do it all for the cause. Pull me closer, she won't let me go.
So then I'm also gonna add the next half of the logo, like probably in the center of the leg part. Yeah, I just think that'll look hard.
No wrong, that I wanna be like Jones, but that feel like home. Feeling like I was already chose. Hard like 100 round drums. Bomb small like Rose. You already know my runs. Fire me up like a booth. Baby, don't mind your choose. I'ma stay tight, no noose. So long I'm here with you. Offshore taking cruise. Baby, felt deep for you. So tell me right away, wide awake, out of space, yeah. For the end, it's not that far away, on our way, but our time now. This I know, I don't wanna wait for the same. I pay the price, yeah. Can't cry, it's not that far away,
And yeah, there you have it. To be honest, that's pretty much it. Like, that's what would kind of qualify as like designer shorts, you know what I mean? I've got a second logo here that I got made, so I'm just going to use this and put it on the other pocket anyway. But yeah, there you have it. Like, how to turn like some £10 Primark shorts into designer shorts. Even though you don't really have to do much, but that's what designer is. And more time, designer doesn't even last as long as like standard clothes that you buy anyway. So yeah, if you like that video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.
Someone is mean.
Avec gaz dans les lights, tu verras d'autres qui passent.